Hey foodies, welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to make the Jamaican green seasoning. We have the best herbs in the world, and for this I'm going to make the recipe very simple. We don't need any measurement because everything you can basically just add it yourself. So we're going to make the Jamaican green seasoning, and you can use this green seasoning to replace MSG. You can use it to replace powdered seasoning because it's so potent, and this thing is very popular for people who live in the Caribbean. Many people in the Caribbean, they have their own variety of the green seasoning. So I'm going to show you how I make my green seasoning. So we have pimento. We're going to use some onion. We also have a piece of ginger. We have a red hot pepper. We have thyme. We have some scallion. We have garlic, and we're going to use some vegetable oil, which is optional as well. You can use water or a combination of vegetable oil and water.
1, 2, 1, 2, and 3, and 4.
Alright, for this one you don't need no particular measurement. So we're going to add the oil to the blender. Then we add the pimento. We're going to add the garlic and then the scallion. We take off the root of it and then chop it. You can add the pepper as well, and then depending on how hot you like it, you can add as much pepper as possible. If you don't want it to be too hot, so I'm just using one. I'm using a piece of ginger, and then we're going to use some onion. The onion is optional, by the way. You can use lime juice. Some persons like to use parsley, some persons like to use cilantro, depending on how you want the flavor to be. But we prefer to use just these ingredients. So you can use this to season fish, chicken, shrimp, anything at all. And then the time is a little bit tricky because you don't want to put the tough part of it because it's going to come out. So I'm just going to cut off this part of it. And try to take out as much of the leaf as possible. Let me know in the comment section how you make your green seasoning. Alright, we're going to add some more water to this and then we're going to blend it. Alright, we're going to blend this. Alright guys, so this is what the green seasoning looks like. So let me know in the comment section how you make your green seasoning. Alright, for this green seasoning you can store it in the fridge for about 1 to 2 weeks, or you can put it in the freezer and store it for as long as possible. Hope you guys like the video. Remember to subscribe to the channel. I'm Alex, the Feel Good Chef.